back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you press that subscribe button. If you are not new, just keep on watching and make sure you press the thumbs up for this video and continue watching. Today's video is going to be about my first impressions on this foundation that I found, and it's from Tarte, and it's High Performance Naturals is what it says on the box. This particular foundation is the Amazon Clay Full Coverage Foundation, and it has broad spectrum and SPF 15 sunscreen inside of it. Also, this is in the color Deep Skin with yellow undertone. With yellow undertones, I'm sorry. And this is supposed to be 12-hour makeup. I'm not gonna read all the directions and all the other crazy stuff that's on here, but I know that it's without parabens and mineral oils. So this should be good. Anyways, this is the packaging that it comes in, and purple is my favorite color, so yeah, I like this box. Anyways, this is what it looks like. Off back, I do not like the container that it comes in because I actually like the little bottles that come with the pump so I can just pump it out. But this is like and it also looks like there's not a lot of foundation in here. And let me just backtrack a little bit. This foundation cost me a hot $39, so this is not some cheap foundation. And look how small the container is, so that's not a lot of foundation. Anyways, guys, let's continue into this first impressions video. Twist the cap off, and upon twisting the cap off, it's supposed to have like the little gray covering on it, but I already took that off, of course. Anyways, I'm gonna squeeze a little bit on my hand, and this is the consistency. It's thick, it doesn't drip. Anyways, why would it drip? It says it's Amazonian clay, so why would it drip? Anyways, guys, that is what it looks like on my hand. I hope that it fits my complexion, because the foundations that I've been trying lately have not been looking the way I wanted them to look, but everything is not gonna work out right. Anyways, guys, so I squeezed a little bit of that foundation on my hand. Excuse me, I am tongue-tied today. I don't know what's wrong with me. Anyways, like I said, I covered the cost. It's $39 for this little container. This is the container. This was the packaging, and this is what it looked like. Again, if you did not hear what the tone was, it's deep skin for deep skin with yellow undertones. I have my beauty blender already ready for me, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dip it. It's really thick. I'm gonna dip it in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to cover my blemishes. Initially, it looks like it is too light for my skin, and I actually don't like the way that it's going on. It says it's full coverage, and I don't see how. I do not like this foundation at all. I'm gonna just keep going just for the purpose of this video. But clearly I am very agitated. I'm not gonna be totally negative, because sometimes I put on this foundations, and they look a certain way until I spray my setting spray. So let's just keep going. And as far as full coverage, it hasn't covered up any of my dark marks yet. It does like resemble clay. What is wrong with me and my words today? It does resemble clay though. Like it has that consistency of like clay. I squeezed a little bit more on my hand. And I'm just gonna go back in and see what happens. My face starting to look like clay. That's what it looked like. Oh my God, I am not liking this foundation. I clearly can see all of my blemishes still. And I probably could see them because I know that they are there, but I'm probably sure that you can see them too. Let's go up here. This foundation is very thick, but it is not doing the job. I don't know, guys. I don't like this. And this me going over it again, trying to cover those blemishes. I don't know. Y'all tell me. I don't know if you guys can see this well. Y'all tell me how it looks. Because I don't like it. It looks like clay. I'm not digging it. Not for the price of $39, $40 really if you round it out, but $40 foundation. I don't know what to say. Tarte. Like Tarte. Like what's up? What's up with this foundation? Maybe I'm just not seeing it. I don't get it. Maybe I'm not applying it correctly. I don't know. But yep, that's what it looked like. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this setting spray on and see if it changes. So just let that dry a little bit, guys. I'm so annoyed. I really don't see no difference. If I had to rate this product, I don't know if I would give them a thumbs up. It's not all the way bad, but it's not all the way good. I don't like it. I mean, to each his own, but I don't really care for it. I don't like it. Anyways, guys, feel free to leave comments below if you have any ideas, if you have any comments, questions, anything of the sort, please leave them below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.